Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama. Hi, I'm Mama. Jeez Louise.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Allie, and on today's episode of Allie Can Cook, we're showing you guys how to make this amazing corn and black bean salsa / salad.
Work both ways.
Yeah, it is delicious. I actually got inspiration from my friend Meg, who brought this amazing vegan corn and black bean salsa to our house this past weekend. So we decided we would make our own version of it here on Allie Can Cook. If you guys want to see how we make this corn and black bean salsa / salad, keep watching. So the first thing that you want to do is add in 1.5 cups of corn, cooked corn that's chilled.
And then just a cup of black beans.
Then you're gonna add in 1/2 cup of finely chopped green pepper.
1/2 cup of finely chopped red pepper, so it's gonna look very pretty. Look at that, very pretty.
1/2 cup of finely chopped red onion.
And 1/4 cup of finely chopped cherry tomatoes, my favorite.
That wasn't in the original salsa, but we love cherry tomatoes, which is why we're adding them in. Then 1 jalapeno finely chopped. Obviously, if you don't like a lot of spice, you can totally skip this.
And just a giant handful of cilantro. And I love cilantro, so we can...
Obviously, some people also don't really like cilantro, so you can skip that part too if you're one of those people, but we are not.
No, we're not.
Then the next thing you want to do is add in the juice of a lime. So our lime is actually fairly big, so we're just using 1, but if you have smaller limes, you'll probably want to add in the juice of 2 limes. So we'll just add that in here.
And then you're just going to add in a tablespoon of sunflower oil.
The original packaging said that they use canola oil, but that's not always the healthiest for you, so we're subbing it for sunflower oil. And just some salt and pepper to taste. Nothing too precise here. We always like to use pink Himalayan salt, but you can use whatever salt you want. And then you're ready to mix it up. So after it's mixed, you can serve it with some fresh tortilla chips, or if you're having it as a salad, you can just spoon it onto everybody's plate. It'd be great with veggie burgers. Probably even put it inside a taco shell.
Oh, for sure. Or a wrap. Just enjoy it. It's really beautiful.
It's a very light, fresh, simple dip that you can have on a warm summer day or evening. As you can see, it takes probably under, like 5 minutes to make.
Right. And this is a great thing to bring to someone's house, like Megan did.
Yeah, so thank you, Megan, if you're watching this, for giving us some inspiration on what to cook this week. We hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.